Prayer. O Mother of my God and my Lady Mary, as a poor wounded and loathsome wretch presents himself to a great queen, I present myself to thee, who art the Queen of heaven and earth. From the lofty throne on which thou art seated, do not disdain, I pray thee, to cast thy eye upon me, a poor sinner. God hath made thee so rich in order that thou mayest succor the needy, and hath made thee Queen of mercy that thou mayest help the miserable. Look upon me, then, and have pity on me. Look upon me and do not leave me until thou hast changed me from a sinner into a saint. I see I merit nothing, or rather I merit for my ingratitude to be deprived of all the graces which, by thy means, I have received from the Lord. But thou, who art the Mother of mercy, dost not require merits, but miseries, that thou mayest succor those who are in need. And who is more poor and more needy than I? O glorious Virgin, I know that thou, being Queen of the universe, art also my Queen. And I, in a more especial manner, would dedicate myself to thy service, that thou mayest dispose of me as seemeth best to thee. Therefore I say to thee with Saint Bonaventure, O Lady, I submit myself to thy control, that thou mayest rule and govern me entirely. Do not leave me to myself. Rule me, O my Queen, and do not leave me to myself. Command me, employ me as thou wilt, and punish me if I do not obey thee, for very salutary will be the punishments that come from thy hand. I would esteem it a greater thing to be thy servant than Lord of the whole earth. Thine I am, save me. Accept me, O Mary, for thy own, and attend to my salvation as I am thine own. I no longer will be my own, I give myself to thee. And if hitherto I have so poorly served thee, having lost so many good occasions of honoring thee, for the time to come, I will unite myself to thy most loving and most faithful servants. No one from this time henceforth shall surpass me in honoring and loving thee, my most lovely Queen. This I promise, and I hope to perform with thy assistance. Amen.